Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I transform my small bathroom on a budget using paint and updating my fixtures. Now if you're interested in seeing this project from start to finish, please stick around. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time here, my name is Darlene and I make videos about home decor, um, mindset, business, just whatever that's on my mind I want to share with you guys. Now in today's video, I am going to be talking about how I updated my bathroom, which was a little bit dated. When I moved into the house, I definitely this was not my favorite room, I have to say. It was not my favorite room, and I really wanted to make some changes, but without spending an arm and a leg trying to break down walls and gutting everything out. So I opted to go ahead and paint the tiles. My bathroom wasn't very functional. I really only had a pedestal sink. I lacked storage, so I wanted to bring in better storage and just make everything very nice and pretty. So when painting your walls, I decided to purchase a kit from Home Depot, but make sure you prep your walls, guys. It's very important. Okay. So prepping your walls will allow the paint to adhere better and also prevent it from lifting any dirt that's in your grout lines. You do not want that. Um, so yeah, so this is me right here scrubbing away and making sure like everything was clean before I apply the paint. And it saved me a lot of headache because everything went on very smooth. And guys, take your time with this. No rushing, no shortcuts. Just take your time, put on some music and get this done right because this is the most important step, believe it or not. And for this project, I did go with the Rust-Oleum home floor coating. It comes in a kit. It comes in two 1 quart cans, but I actually went ahead and purchased the 1 gallon floor coating base, and I purchased the quart of the top coat. And I'm glad I did because I ended up having to apply multiple coats of paint to the walls because, two coats was just not enough. So I believe I went with about 3 or 4 coats. Still a lot to do here. So my job was not finished. All right. So now, although it says ultra pure white, this is not pure white, guys. As you can tell, because the walls are actually white. This is like an off-white, beigey type of color, which is still nice. So if you do opt to go with this project, you can also have them tainted to the purest white that they have in the store, which I didn't care to do because I didn't want to go back to the store. Now, once it's all dried up, you gotta wait 6 hours. I believe that's what the instructions said. Wait 6 hours before applying the top coat. And you don't need a lot. It only recommends 1 coat of the top coat. So don't go beyond that. It'll still look nice. And this is it all finished with the 1 coat. Again, I was nervous about going in and applying a second coat. I didn't want it to get too tacky. So I left it alone. So I ended up applying paint tape to the walls. Don't do that. This is why you saw all that peeling. So do not apply paint tape directly to that wall after you just painted, okay? I had to learn the hard way. But yeah, so this is a project. And I know this video is a little short because I initially was not going to post this. I did this using my camera phone on portrait mode, so you're not seeing the full shots of all the areas. But yeah, this is a finished project right here, guys.
Okay, so I wanted to give you guys a quick update. An entire year has gone by. I did this back in March of 2022, and it's still holding up fairly nicely. I don't know if you can tell um, by this video, but everything's holding up fairly nicely. I do want to recoat this area here. Um, but other than that, everything is looking really nice. So yeah, that's about it. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified of when I upload new videos. So until next time, have a great day.